All right, hello everybody. I am here in the van again to having one more camping trip with the van here this this fall. So I'll get out here. Let's take a look at the sign out there. And at an angle here. Okay. All right. Right at the entrance of the park here. Yes, yeah, busy all of a sudden. Let's go over there by the sign. There it is. Welcome to Maplewood State Park. All right, there we go. It's centered just right. Okay. Obviously, it's a beautiful day. It is October 7th now. Wednesday, October 7th. And it was about wind. I'm going to get behind the van up here so I'm kind of out of the wind. Okay, I'm right behind the van, out of the wind. But anyways, it's Wednesday, like I said, and I'm camping for 2 nights here. Already got my campsite all paid for online, so that's totally reserved. Of course, I already got the vehicle permit for the van, so all I have to do now, I'm going to stop right up there at the station there and get firewood, and then head to my campsite and eat. I am pretty darn hungry. It's about 10 to 1 right now. I've spent the morning throwing everything together that I need to come here for a couple nights. But anyways, I think this is probably going to be the last camping trip with the van this year. But I'll play everything by ear though. Anyways, I'm going to take it up in the van and I'm going to head to the campsite now, and we'll talk to you there. All right, as you can see, I am at my campsite. There's the van, and there's a picnic table. And this is the loop in. I came from that direction. It's one direction. It loops out to go out that way. That's what my site looks like. Nice flat site. I'm glad I'm in this one. The site I'm usually in is down that end, down that way further. But it was open tonight, but not tomorrow night. So I had to take this site, and I think I kind of like this one better as far as camping with a van because it's more level than that one. But anyways, I already ate. I put everything away. I'm all ready to go on a little hike here, a little walk. I'll take a look at the map here. Okay, I'm using this as a weight, so that there. I am in Knoll Campground. See if I can find it on here now. Okay, Grass Lake, yeah, okay, there. Knoll Loop. That's where I am. I'm going to take and walk around Grass Lake. We'll come around here, walk through the main loop of the main area of the campground, back over here along the lake, and right back to my campsite. So, and here's a closer look of just this section here. But I'm in site number 53. And of course the trail starts right next to mine. I'll be going out this way and coming back through over here. There. Okay, so I'm going to take and put all this stuff in my pocket, and got the GoPro charging. I'm going to take and record with the GoPro on the trail. There might be time I might take the phone, and if I need to zoom in on something, you know, I'll use the phone. But otherwise, I think I'm going to be using the GoPro. I'm going to try that out. And I think I just might record the entire walk, the entire trail non-stop. I'm not 100% positive. I'm thinking about doing that, and yeah, I'm gonna give that a try to see how it works. And maybe it's something I'll continue doing. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna take and grab the stuff and get ready to go. Grass Lake Interpretive Trail. Okay, here we go, leaving the campsite right now. Campsite number 53 in the Knoll Loop in Maplewood State Park, Minnesota. Going on Grass Lake Interpretive Trail. And there's where I am right now. Of course, my campsite is right next to it, where I just came from. I'm going to take and walk around here, through the main campground, and over here, all the way back. Okay, it's 1.2 mile. I think that 1.2 miles goes up to here. That's not counting the walk from there. Yep. Okay. Here we go. Grass Lake Interpretive Trail. Got one more map to look at here. The trail heads off that way. Okay. Okay, there. You are here, right there. Around. Back again. Okay. Some of these signs I am going to stop and look at. Some of them I will not. It just tells about maple syrup. It takes 30 to 40 gallons of sap to produce 1 gallon of syrup. Amazing. Wow. I don't know where that goes. Yeah, before we come into State Park, it was haunted and farmed here.
Got another sign.
So this spot, this location right here, probably used to be a field or something. But it's been replanted with prairie grass. Tall grass prairie, I think. Okay, I'll be taking a right here, continuing that way on Grass Lake Interpretive Trail. We'll take a look at the map too, right here. I'm going to go this way around. Back again. With the I'm probably gonna have to stop or keep walking basically non-stop to make sure I have enough. I'm not sure if I have enough battery power to make it the whole way back to camp. I'll rather take a quick look at this though. This. That is a bat house. Okay, I'm not going to crawl underneath and look up in there. There we go, a bat house. Okay, there's Grass Lake to the right. Got some body of water to the left too. Okay. All right. I don't know what the name of that one is, if it has any name or not. I don't know. We got a bridge. Got some wind too. Oh, I'm gonna jump on it. Oh man. We got enough people jumping on that thing, it would give, I think. And this trail got what they call rolling hills, of which I'm going up right now. Canada in Minnesota. Glaciers brought them. Okay. Well, there's rocks somewhere in there. I don't know if these are one of them, but there, Canada. Some kind of a structure that was built there. Yeah, I'll tell you something. It didn't fall like that naturally. Yeah, nice and blue and sparkly. Right along the shore of Grass Lake now. Alright, let's tell us about the ironwood trees. Don't have time to stop and read it really. Try to get back to camp before the battery goes dead. And I see the road up ahead there. End of the trail of Grass Lake Interpretive Trail. But I want to record this video all the way back to camp for a complete loop back to where I started from. Take a quick look at this. You were here. I still need to walk over to there. That's the opposite end of it now. Okay, I was walking on the road from here. Yeah, walking on pavement now. Huh. There's the campers there. That would be shorter to cut through, I don't know. I'll follow the road. Don't want to cut through anybody's campsite. Okay. Let's see how. Wow, and the battery is still saying 40%, so it must be drying off the battery pack after all. But here I am back at the beginning of Grass Lake Interpretive Trail. I made it. That's where I started out, going down that way. Came all the way around. Came all the way around. Walked along there. Whoops, I gotta get my... Okay, let's try that again. I came all the way around. Walked right around there. Went this way around. And I'm right there again. And I'm gonna head right back to my campsite and see the van through the trees there. There it is, my campsite, the fire ring, picnic table, and the van. Yeah, someone drives by. Okay, I am back at camp. I returned from my walk on Grass Lake Interpretive Trail, and I walked it faster than I wanted to because I wasn't sure if it didn't look like the camera was drawing power off of the battery pack that I had plugged in, but apparently it was, but I didn't know that, so I walked faster than I wanted to because I wanted to make sure that the onboard battery on the camera could make it. So, oh well. But anyways, I'm kind of planning the rest of the day. I'm just going to stay here. I just did the Grass Lake Interpretive Trail, and I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, I think 3 trails planned for tomorrow. I kind of thought about doing one more tonight, but I'll have enough time to do that one tomorrow. So, yeah. So I'm going to be, it's about 4 o'clock right now, just a few minutes after. And that walk on Grass Lake Interpretive Trail took 53 minutes. And that's walking kind of briskly. But, oh well. But anyways, I'm just going to take it easy for a little while. And about, I'm thinking a little after, like 6:15 to 6:20, I'm going to take and start the campfire and get ready for supper. Gonna be grilling burgers again tonight, so cheeseburgers. So okay, I'm gonna take it easy for a while, and we'll talk to you later.